𝐤𝐄𝐄, Sword of the Spirit, narrated and interpreted by Wendy. Shir HaShirim, Song of Songs. Chapter 1. The Song of Songs, which belongs to 𝐤𝐄𝐄. Let him kiss me with the kisses of his mouth, for your love is better than wine. Because of the savor of your good oils, your name is oil poured forth, therefore the virgins love you. Draw me, we will run after you. The king has brought me into his chambers. We are glad and rejoice with you. We will remember your love more than wine. The upright love you. I am black, but beautiful, O daughters of Yerushalayim, like the tents of Kedar, like the curtains of 𝐤𝐄𝐄. Do not look upon me because I am black, because the sun has looked upon me. My mother's children were angry with me. They made me the keeper of the vineyards. I have not kept my own vineyard. Tell me, O you whom my soul loves, where do you eat? Where do you rest at noon? For why should I be like someone who veils herself beside the flocks of your companions? If you do not know, O fairest of women, go your way out by the footsteps of the flock, and feed your kids beside the tents of the shepherds. I compare you, O my love, to a filly among the chariots of Paro. Your cheeks have lovely curves. Your neck is in chains. We will make your curves of gold, with studs of silver. While the king is at his table, my spikenard sends its scent. To me, my beloved is a bundle of myrrh. He will lie between my breasts all night. To me, my beloved is a bouquet of henna flowers in the vineyards of En-Gedi. Behold, you are fair, my love. Behold, you are beautiful. Your eyes are like doves. Behold, you are handsome, my beloved, also pleasant. Also, our bed is green. The beams of our house are cedar. Our rafters are fir. Chapter 2. I am the rose of Sharon, the lily of the valleys. Like a lily among thorns, so too is my love among the daughters. Like an apple tree among the trees of the forest, so too is my beloved among the sons. I sat under his shadow with great delight, and his fruit was sweet to my taste. He brought me to the banquet house, and his banner over me was love. Sustain me with raisin cakes, comfort me with apples, for I am lovesick. His left hand is under my head, and his right hand embraces me. I charge you, O daughters of Yerushalayim, who are near the gazelles, or the does of the field, that you do not arouse the love and awaken it until you desire it. Behold, the voice of my beloved. He comes leaping upon the mountains, skipping upon the hills. My beloved is like the gazelle, or young rams. Behold, he stands behind our wall, looking through the windows, shining through the lattice. My beloved spoke and said to me, Arise, my love, my fair one, and come away. For behold, the winter has passed, the rain has ended, the flowers appear on the earth, the time of singing has come, and the voice of the turtle dove is heard in the land. The fig tree puts forth her green figs, and the tender grapevines give a scent. Arise, my love, my fair one, and come away. O my dove, who is in the clefts of the rock, who is in the secret stairs, let me see your face. Let me hear your voice. For sweet is your voice, and your face is handsome. Catch the foxes for us, the little foxes that plunder the vines, for our vines have tender grapes. My beloved is mine, and I am his. He feeds among the lilies. Until sunrise, and the shadows flee away. Envelop me like this, my beloved, like the gazelle, or young rams upon part of my mountain. Chapter 3. By night on my bed I sought him whom my soul loves. I sought him, but I did not find him. Then I arose and went around the city, in the streets and in the plazas. I sought him whom my soul loves. I sought him, but I did not find him. The watchmen who go around the city found me. Have you seen him whom my soul loves? I had barely passed by them when I found him whom my soul loves. I held him and would not let him go until I brought him into my mother's house and into the chamber of her whom conceived me. I charge you, O daughters of Yerushalayim, who are near the gazelles and the does of the field, that you do not arouse the love and awaken it until you desire it. Who is this that comes out of the wilderness like pillars of smoke, perfumed with myrrh and frankincense, with all powders of the merchant? Behold the bed of 𝐤𝐄𝐄. It has 60 valiant men around it, the valiant of Yeshariel. They all hold swords, experts in war. Each man has his sword upon his thigh because of dread during the night. King 𝐤𝐄𝐄 made himself a chariot from the wood of Lebanon. He made its pillars of silver, its coach of gold, its covering of purple. Its interior was embedded with love from the daughters of Yerushalayim. Go forth, O daughters of Zion, and behold King 𝐤𝐄𝐄 with the crown that his mother crowned him on the day of his wedding, and in the day of the joy of his heart. Chapter 4. Behold, you are fair, my love. Behold, you are fair. You have dove eyes behind your veil. Your hair is like a flock of goats descending from Mount Gilead. Your teeth are like a flock of cut sheep that come up from bathing, each one with its pair, and none are missing among them. Your lips are like a scarlet ribbon, and your word is lovely. Like a split pomegranate, your temple is behind a veil. Your neck is like the tower of David, built for an armory, on which 1,000 bucklers hang, all shields of mighty men. Your 2 breasts are like 2 young gazelle, twins that feed among lilies. Until sunrise and the shadows flee away, I will go to the mountain of myrrh and to the hill of frankincense. You are completely beautiful, my love. No spot is in you. You will come to me from Lebanon, O bride, to me from whiteness. Look from the top of Amana, from the top of Shener and Hermon, from the lion's den, from the mountains of the leopards. My sister, my bride, you have ravished my heart. You have ravished my heart with one look of your eyes, with one chain of your neck. My sister, my bride, how lovely is your love! How much better is your love than wine, and the smell of your ointments than all spices. Your lips, O bride, are drops of honeycomb. Honey and milk are under your tongue, and the smell of your garments are like the smell of Lebanon. My sister, my bride, is an enclosed garden, a locked spring, a sealed fountain. Your plants are an orchard of pomegranates with pleasant fruits, henna flowers with spikenard with saffron, calamus with cinnamon, with all trees of frankincense, myrrh, and aloes, with all the best spices, a fountain of gardens, a well of living waters, and streams from Lebanon. Awake, O northern wind, and come, O southern wind. Blow upon my garden, so that my spices may flow out. Let my beloved come into his garden, and eat his pleasant fruits. I have come into my garden, my sister, my bride. I have gathered my myrrh with my spice. I have eaten my honeycomb with my honey. I have drunk my wine with my milk. Eat, O friends. Drink and become drunk, O my beloved ones. Chapter 5. I sleep, but my heart awakens. The voice of my beloved knocks. My sister, my love, my dove, open to me, my innocent. For my head is filled with dew, my locks with the drops of the night. I have taken off my coat. Should I put it on? I have washed my feet. Should I soil them? My beloved put his hand near the opening, and my insides yearned for him. I arose to open for my beloved, and my hands dripped myrrh. Also my fingers with myrrh moved upon the handles of the lock. I opened for my beloved, but my beloved had withdrawn himself and was gone. My soul failed when he spoke. I sought him, but I could not find him. I called for him, but he gave me no answer. The watchmen who went around the city found me. They struck me. They wounded me. The keepers of the wall took my veil away from me. I charge you, O daughters of Yerushalayim, if you find my beloved, that you tell him I am lovesick. Why is your beloved better than any other loved one, O fairest among women? Why is your beloved better than any other loved one, such that you would charge us? My beloved is bright and red, the best among 10,000. His head is like the finest gold. His locks are wavy, black like a raven. His eyes are like doves by rivers of waters, washed with milk, fully set. His cheeks are like a bed of spices, sweet flowers. His lips are lilies, dripping with the sweet scent of myrrh. His hands are like gold rings set with beryl. His torso is like an ivory plate covered with sapphires. His legs are like pillars of marble, set upon sockets of fine gold. His face is like Lebanon, the best of the cedars. His mouth is very sweet. He is completely wonderful. This is my beloved, and this is my friend, O daughters of Yerushalayim. Where has your beloved gone, O fairest among women? Where has your beloved turned aside, so that we may seek him with you? My beloved has gone down into his garden, to the beds of spices, to feed in the gardens, and to gather lilies. I am my beloved's, and my beloved is mine. He feeds among the lilies. Chapter 6. You are fair, my love, like Tirzah, beautiful like Yerushalayim, awesome like an army with banners. Turn your eyes away from me, for they have overwhelmed me. Your hair is like a flock of goats descending from Mount Gilead. Your teeth are like a flock of cut sheep that come up from bathing, each one with its pair, and none are missing among them. Your temple is a split pomegranate behind a veil. There are 60 queens, and 80 concubines, and countless virgins. Only one is my dove, my perfect one. She is the only innocent one of her mother. She is the best of her whom bore her. The daughters saw her and approved her, queens and concubines. Also they praised her. Who is she who envisions like the morning, who is fair like the moon, who is pure like the sun, who is awesome like an army with banners? I went down into the garden of nuts to see the fruits of the valley, to see whether the vine flourished, the pomegranates were in bloom. My soul was not aware that my noble people had set me upon a chariot. Return, return, O woman of 𝐤𝐄𝐄. Return, return, so that we may look upon you. What is foreseen by the woman of restoration, as two armies dance? How beautiful are your feet with sandals, O daughter of generosity. The joints of your thighs are like jewels, The work of your hands are of skilled craftsmanship. Your navel is a round goblet, not lacking mixed drink. Your belly is a heap of wheat, surrounded by lilies. Your 2 breasts are like 2 young gazelle twins. Your neck is like an ivory tower. Your eyes are like the fish pools of Heshbon by the gate of Beit Rabim. Your nose is like the tower of Lebanon, which looks down toward Damascus. Your head upon you is like Carmel, and the hair of your head is like purple. The king is bound by your cleavage. How fair and pleasant you are, a darling with delights. This, your stature, is like a palm tree, and your breasts are like its clusters. Chapter 7. I said, I will go up to the palm tree. I will take hold of its limbs. I pray you, let your breasts be like clusters of the vine, and the smell of your breath like apples, the roof of your mouth like the best wine for my beloved, which goes down sweetly, causing the lips of those who are asleep to speak. I am my beloved's, and his desire is toward me. Come, my beloved, let us go into the field. Let us lodge in the villages. Let us get up early to the vineyards. Let us see if the vine flourishes, the tender grapes appear, the pomegranates bloom. There I will give you my love. The mandrakes give a scent. Also, at our gates there are all types of pleasant fruits, both new and old, which I have hidden away for you, O my beloved. Who has made you like a brother to me, suckling the breasts of my mother? I will find you abroad. I will kiss you. Also, they will not despise me. I would lead you, bringing you into my mother's house. I would have you drink of the spiced wine of the juice of my pomegranate. His left hand is under my head, and his right hand embraces me. I charge you, O daughters of Yerushalayim, who are near the gazelles or the does of the field, that you do not arouse the love and awaken it until you desire it. Chapter 8. Who is that who comes up from the wilderness, leaning upon her beloved? Under the apple tree I awakened you. There your mother pledged to you. There she who pledged travailed over you. Establish me like a seal upon your heart, like a seal upon your arm. For love is as strong as death. Jealousy is as cruel as the grave. Its coals are the coals of fire, a passionate flame. Many waters cannot quench love, nor can rivers drown it. If a man gave all the possessions of his house for love, they would completely despise him. We have a little sister, and she has no breasts. What will we do for our sister during the day when she will be spoken for? If she was a wall, we would build a silver palace upon her, and if she was a door, we would encase her with cedar posts. I am a wall, and my breasts are like towers. Therefore, in his eyes, I am like one who has discovered restoration. 𝐤𐄄𐤅 has a vineyard at Baal-Hamon. He leases out the vineyard to caretakers. For its fruit, each one brings 1,000 pieces of silver. My vineyard, which is mine, is before me. You, O 𝐤𝐄𝐅, keep 1,000, and to those who tend its fruit, 200. You who sit in the gardens, friends will hearken to your voice. Let it be heard. Hurry, my beloved, and be like a gazelle or a young ram upon the spice mountains.